In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use unique function in Microsoft Excel. The unique function is a fast way to pull a clean, deduplicated list from your data. It's perfect for building dropdowns, summaries, or quick checks to see what values actually appear in a column. This feature is part of Excel 365's dynamic array functions, which means the results automatically expand or spill into surrounding cells and update as your data changes. Start by opening Excel 365 and navigating to the sheet that contains your data. Take a quick moment to scan the column or row you'll use. Make sure the values you want are in a contiguous range with no merged cells inside it. Decide whether you want to include a header in your unique list. Most of the time, you'll want to exclude it so your results only show actual values. Next, click in an empty cell where you want the unique list to appear. Leave enough blank space below if your data runs down a column, or to the right if it's across a row. If anything blocks the spill area, Excel will show a spill error, so choosing a clear spot now saves a step later. Type a unique to begin the formula. You'll see the function prompt asking for an array, which is just the range that holds your data. The optional arguments you might notice, like by call or exactly once, are powerful, but we'll keep it simple for now. Now select the range containing your data. You can drag with your mouse or use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl plus a Shift to down arrow to grab a full column of entries. Check that you haven't accidentally included the header unless you want it in your results. Your formula should look something like a unique A2, A500, though your exact addresses will differ. Type the closing parenthesis and press enter. Instantly, Excel spills a list of distinct values starting from the cell you chose. Duplicates are removed, blank cells, if any, appear only once, and the order reflects the first time each value appeared in your source. If you change the underlying data, the unique list refreshes automatically. You can format the spilled results just like any other cells. Apply number formats, fonts, or cell colors. Don't try to edit within the middle of the spill. The formula controls that whole area. If you ever need to clear it, delete the formula from the top left cell where you started. That's all there is to it. Pick your destination cell, write a unique, select your data range, close the parenthesis, and press enter for a clean dynamic list.